Finally, let's look at the summary of the errors and omissions and how to correct them, how to treat them. So, if invoices are recorded in the creditor's ledger but not on the creditor's statement, we will have to add it on our equivalent of the creditor's statement, namely the creditor's reconciliation statement. And we know the invoice we record on our credit side, so on the reconciliation statement we will have to add a debit, as that is the opposite perspective than from our perspective. Payments, discounts and debit notes that were recorded in the creditor's ledger but not on the creditor's statement, we will have to do the opposite than for the invoice. We will have to enter that now on the credit column of the creditor's reconciliation statement, as it is on our side but not on their side, so we have to add it on their side. Invoices recorded on the creditor's statement but not on the creditor's ledger, so we will have to add it therefore to our creditor's ledger, and an invoice we know will increase how much we owe, so therefore we will have to credit it in our creditor's ledger. Receipts, discounts and credit notes recorded on the creditor's statement but not in the creditor's ledger, so we will have to record it in the creditor's ledger. The receipts, discounts and credit notes will decrease what we owe, so we will have to enter debits on our sides as liabilities decrease on the debit side. An incorrect debit on the creditor's statement, so the supplier made an error, we'll have to reverse it and we'll have to do the opposite on the next month's statement. So in the credit column of the creditor's reconciliation, it will be fixed. An incorrect credit on the creditor's statement is just the opposite. So on the debit side of the creditor's reconciliation statement, we will make the entry. The supplier will correct it on the next statement. If an error is made and too much is entered in the debit or credit column, then we will have to make an opposite entry for the difference. And if an error is made and it is too little entered on the debit or credit column, the additional amount will have to add to the same column.